Welcome to the daily message for this fifth Sunday of Easter. I'm going to leave any meditation or reflection on the scriptures up to Father Bill today. He's the expert at that anyway. I'm going to focus instead on Mother's Day. All of us have or had a mother. Our mothers are such special people. They gave birth to us. They nurture us. They teach us right from wrong. They praise us when we do well. They correct us when we do something wrong. And always, always, mothers are proud of their sons and daughters. And so in these and in many, many other ways, mothers are God's presence in the world for us who are their children. And so to all the moms out there, have a great Mother's Day. It's going to be one of the strangest ones ever. There won't be any brunch after Mass. There may not be any flowers. It's going to be different. But please know that your children, whether biological or not, thank you for all that you have done for us, and please know how much we love you. Have a great day today.